I'm Katrina, and we're going to be singing Sleeping Song by Taylor Swift. Sorry if my voice is raspy because Payne taught me how to dubstep, like rap today. It was kind of hard. Beatbox. I mean beatbox, sorry. Here you go. I remember tears streaming down your face where you said I'll never let you go. But all those shadows almost killed your life. And I remember you said don't leave me here alone. But all that's said and gone and past tonight.